Hey there, I'm Mike. Today I'm going to show you what to do if a unit's sensors are not reading correctly or a sensor has been recently replaced. To do that, all you need is the ICANgo app on a smartphone and a digital level. The steps in this video are going to help if you're working on an Elliott L50 or L65. But before we get started, make sure you read, understand, and obey the manufacturer's instructions and safety rules, your employer's safety rules and worksite regulations, and all applicable governmental regulations. You also ought to make sure you have the appropriate tools, lifting equipment, and a suitable workshop. The overall condition of the equipment, maintenance, and inspection procedures are just as important as safe operating procedures and a positive attitude towards safety. All these procedures properly applied will significantly reduce the likelihood of an accident or equipment failure. Finally, feel free to pause the video at any time to make sure you're doing each step safely and correctly. Okay, the first step is to turn on the master power and be sure the boom is fully retracted and in the boom rest. Next, connect to the machine using the ICANgo app. You're going to need to make sure your smartphone's Bluetooth is on. Navigate to the Adjust menu and then select Home Sensors Adjust group to start. From here, you're going to need to decide which sensor needs to be zeroed. Feel free to skip ahead to the section of the video with the sensor that needs to be zeroed. We're going to start with Home All Sensors. The Home All Sensors perimeter is intended to home all installed sensors at once. This should be used on initial machine startup. To begin, you will flash an L50 or L65 ICANN program into the machine. Then verify the machine components are positioned at or near the intended homing position. That is, the boom is in the boom rest, the platform is near straight alignment with the main boom, and the chassis is level. Next, select Home All Sensors Adjustment value from the Home Sensors Adjust group. From here, change the value from false to true. The moment the value changes to true, the following sensor values will be reset to 0 degrees. Chassis tilt, boom slew, boom angle, platform pitch, and platform slew. Go ahead and verify that all listed values in the machine geometry measure group are now displaying approximately 0 degrees. You can check this by looking at the machine geometry measure group in the measure menu of ICANgo. Okay, next we'll look at home chassis level. Begin by placing a digital level on a smooth and clean portion of the turret box top plate and align the level lengthwise with the truck. Then adjust the outriggers until the level is within 0.1 of 0 degrees. Next, rotate the level 90 degrees so it aligns with the width of the truck. Then adjust the outriggers again until the level is within 0.1 degrees of 0 degrees. You're going to repeat these adjustments until the truck is within 0.1 degrees of level in both directions. Then select Home Chassis Tilt Adjustment value from the Home Sensors Adjust group and change the value from false to true. This will reset the sensor values to 0 degrees. From there, you can verify that both chassis pitch angle and chassis roll angle readouts now display 0 degrees. Now that the unit is level, you can adjust both bubble levels at the rear of the truck so the bubble is centered within the circle of both bubble levels. All right, next we'll look at Home Boom Slew. Start with the boom out of the boom rest. Center it over the boom rest and then boom down into the boom rest. Make sure the boom is centered directly over the boom rest so that it drops nicely into the center of the boom rest without the boom rest pushing the boom over as it drops into place. Next, select Home Boom Slew Adjustment value from the Home Sensors Adjust group. Change the value from false to true so that the sensor value will be reset to 0 degrees. Now verify that the boom slew adjust readout is showing 0 degrees. Then raise the boom and rotate it in both directions to confirm the sensor is measuring properly. Okay, next we're going to look at the home boom angle. Begin by placing a digital level on the underside of the boom, near the rear of the boom, and close to the edge of the boom near the lower control operating station. Then raise or lower the boom until the digital level reads 0 degrees. Wait 10 seconds here for the boom to stabilize. Next, select Home Boom Angle Adjustment value from the Home Sensors Adjust group and change the value from false to true. This will reset the sensor value to 0 degrees. Here you can confirm the boom angle readout is now showing 0 degrees. Now raise or lower the boom a few degrees to verify the sensor is measuring properly. All right, let's look at home platform pitch. Start with the platform rotated straight with the boom and raised off the ground. Then place a digital level vertically on the square tubing inside the platform. Next, you're going to manually tilt the platform forward or backward until the digital level reads 0 degrees. Wait 10 seconds here for the boom and platform to stabilize. Then select Home Platform Pitch Adjustment value from the Home Sensors Adjust group and change the value from false to true. This will reset the sensor value to 0 degrees. From here, verify the platform pitch angle readout now displays 0 degrees. Go ahead and tilt the platform forward and backward to confirm the sensor is measuring properly. Finally, we'll take a look at home platform slew. Begin by rotating the platform so it's aligned straight with the boom. Next, select Home Platform Slew Adjustment Value from the Home Sensors Adjust group and change the value from false to true. This will reset the sensor value to 0 degrees. After that, you can verify the platform slew angle readout now shows 0 degrees. Lastly, just rotate the platform in both directions and make sure the sensor is measuring properly. Alright, now that you have all of your unit sensors measuring correctly, you're ready to get to work. If you need more help, don't hesitate to reach out to one of our service techs at 531-772-0829. And make sure you check out our other technical support videos at elliotequip.com.